Good morning guys, in front of me is OUKITEL WP300 and let me show you how to allow unknown sources. So first of all, open the settings, then find and select apps, then go to special app access, and here you will notice install unknown apps. And here you've got applications that you can allow, so just pick the one that you wish to give this permission to and mark allow from the source smoothly by tapping on the indicator. So that's it. Just be aware that your phone and all the personal data that you have are more vulnerable to attack by unknown apps, and by installing apps from unknown sources you agree that you are responsible for any damage to your phone or loss of data that may result from their use. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.